How to fix Samsung A16 display black and white. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off your sleep mode. For turning off your sleep mode, then open settings and then click on modes and routine. And here you can see the option sleep. Now click on it and here you can turn off your sleep mode. After turning off your sleep mode, then go back and turn off your dark mode. For turning off your dark mode, then open display and here you can turn off your dark mode. After turning off your dark mode, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and scroll down and click on general management. After clicking on general management, then scroll down and open reset and then click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.